Describe a situation in which you were not allowed to use your cell phone. This is our cue card for today, and you should talk about where the situation was, when it was, why you were not allowed to use your phone, and explain how you felt about it. This is Language Help. Subscribe, ring the bell, like the video, and let's go. So to answer the first cue, we should write the tense, so we won't forget while we talk. But wait a minute, what if I'm confused and I don't know which tense to use? Well, in this case, check the tense of the cue and stick to it. The tense of the first cue is the simple past. And we need to talk about a situation, an emergency, an examination, an occasion, or a party where we weren't allowed to use the phone. For the next cue, the tense is also the simple past, but we need to talk about when the situation happened. This can be during a hospital visit, and we have some details to support this. The third cue is why. The tense is the simple past, and we're talking about reasons, so it can be the rules of the place, or maybe because someone was sick in that place. The final cue is about our feelings. How did we feel about not being able to make calls? And we might have felt annoyed, or maybe happy, or the situation might have felt strange. It depends. Now let's see if you like our answer. A few months ago, I had a close relative in hospital for major surgery. My whole family visited him daily and tried to keep him company to boost his morale. But we were not allowed to use cell phones or gather in crowds within the hospital premises. Major surgery is surgery that involves a risk to the life of the patient. To keep someone company is to spend time with someone in order to prevent them from feeling lonely or bored. To boost morale is to make people feel confident and cheerful. Premises is a house or a building and everything attached to it, such as its land and outbuildings. Even though cell phones have become our main means of communication, the hospital instructions clearly stated that we had to surrender them during the check-in process and receive them afterwards. Accordingly, my brother and I checked our phones in and went on to visit our relative. Instructions mean regulations, rules, or information about how to make, do, or use something. Check-in is the process of arriving and registering at a place. Accordingly is when something is done in a way that suits the situation. Went on means carried on or continued. It turned out that phones were a major source of disturbance inside the hospital. They prevented doctors and nurses from doing their work and paying attention to the patients. Therefore, the management took the wholesale decision to ban them during working hours for the staff and visiting hours for outsiders. Turned out to be means to happen or to become known to happen in a particular way. Disturbance is something that interrupts you, especially something loud or causing trouble. Another word for it is nuisance. To prevent is to stop someone from doing something. Therefore means for that reason or that's why. Wholesale is an adjective that means complete, comprehensive, or affecting a lot of people. This felt a bit odd to me at first. I mean, what if someone had an emergency and had to take or make a call right away? The check-in clerk assured me that the management had thought of that too. So they had installed 8 payphones for public use in an area secluded from the patients, where one can make as many calls as he or she wishes. This set my mind at ease and made me appreciate the well-thought-out plan. To feel odd is when something feels out of the ordinary, or unusual, unexpected, strange, or peculiar. An emergency is an unexpected or dangerous situation requiring immediate action. To make a call is to call someone. To take a call is to receive a call from someone. These words are collocations. They always come together. Something is secluded is when something is not seen or visited by many people. Isolated, sheltered, and private are synonyms. To set someone's mind at ease is to make someone feel mentally comfortable about someone else or something. That was our cue card for today. Practice on your own and share your results in the comments. If you like our lesson, subscribe to our channel and like this video. This will help us make more. And before you go, you may be interested in one of these 2 lessons.